So, which one is your money on? The first one, because of the balance of a positive clause against a negative question tag, right? So, I'm afraid that's a bit of an oversimplification that we've come to accept as a rule. On the other hand, if you've been a constant listener of the language, you would have guessed it right that both are absolutely correct. And while the first type mainly helps with seeking confirmation or agreement, the second type helps with a range of emotions. It's all in the tone and the facial expressions. Let's check out 12 examples. Here's the first pair. He's your brother, isn't he? वो तुम्हारा भाई है ना? That's seeking confirmation. On the other hand, you have, oh, he's your brother, is he? Oh, तो वो तुम्हारा भाई है. That's surprise or interest. Second pair. You know Sarah, don't you? तुम तो Sarah को जानते हो ना? That's seeking confirmation of something you already know. Then you have, oh, you know Sarah, do you? अच्छा, तो तुम Sarah को जानते हो. Surprise and interest. Third one. He's an expert, isn't he? वो expert है ना, seeking confirmation. And then you have, he's an expert, is he? ये expert है भी, skepticism or doubt. Fourth one, you're getting married, aren't you? तुम शादी कर रहे हो ना, seeking confirmation. Then you have, so you're getting married, are you? Oh, तो तुम शादी कर रहे हो. So that's surprise or interest. And fifth one, you've been talking to him, haven't you? तुम्हारी उससे बात चल रही है ना, seeking confirmation. On the other hand, you've been talking to him, have you? तुम्हारी उससे बात चल रही है क्या? Suspicion. Sixth one, it's a fabulous hotel, isn't it? कितना बढ़िया hotel है ना? Seeking agreement. Then you have, it's a fabulous hotel, is it? अच्छा, तो बहुत बढ़िया hotel है. That's surprise or interest. Seventh one, you finished it, didn't you? तुमने तो खत्म कर दिया था ना? Seeking confirmation. On the other hand, you finished it, did you? तुमने वाकई खत्म कर दिया. That's disbelief or shock. Eighth one. You think you can beat me, don't you? तुम्हें लगता है ना कि तुम मुझे हरा सकते हो. Seeking confirmation. On the other hand, you think you can beat me, do you? Oh, तो तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम मुझे हरा सकते हो, हाँ? Challenge or provocation. Ninth one. You climbed Everest, didn't you? तुम एवरेस्ट पर चढ़े थे ना? Seeking confirmation. Then you have, you climbed Everest, did you? Oh, तो तुम एवरेस्ट पर चढ़े थे. Admiration or impressed reaction. 10th one, you're the boss, aren't you? Boss तुम हो ना? Confirmation. Then you have, so you're the boss, are you? अच्छा, तो boss तुम हो हाँ? Just some amusement or teasing.